Whilst you're using ChatGPT as your personal and free therapist, for a man who doesn't care about you, others are using it to start online businesses, create content, and make real money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a profitable online business with $0 using ChatGPT. I'm going to divide this video into three parts. If you skip one, you might as well just click out now because you're not going to gain anything. So you want to watch this video till the end without skipping a part. Let's get started with the first one, which is brainstorming your business idea. So now we're going to start with the question in your mind. I want to start something, fun. I want to do this, but how do I start? You want to come to ChatGPT and key in this prompt. You can pause this video and copy it. I need you to act as a business strategist with 15 plus years of experience. I want to start an online business from home, but I have no money, no prior skills, and no formal experience. Can you provide me with 5 business friendly, low cost, and profitable online business ideas that I can start immediately? This is the prompt you want to key in, right? And you click on send. Boom, ChatGPT has given us 5 options. Number 1, we have content repurposing, we have selling digital products on Gumroad or Seller. We have virtual assistants for busy professionals. By the way, registration to sign up for VASP is open. As you can see, it's one of the suggestions ChatGPT is giving you. Next one is affiliate marketing. The next is freelance digital services. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use selling digital product. I want to build a business selling digital products. So I'm going to take this even further. I'm going to say I'll go with the second option. What are some of the high paying niches in this industry? Okay, so ChatGPT has given us some options. I'm going to go with the first one, online business and entrepreneurship. I'm going to go with the first one, but this is the prompt I'm going to use. What are 10 trending topics for ebooks in the money making niche? These are really cool topics. 30 online side hustle you can start with, 0 naira, how to make money with your smartphone in Nigeria. This is if you're in Nigeria. Ultimate guide, you can say how to make money with your smartphone in Ghana, in South Africa, or globally, or you can remove the location limitation. How to make money with your smartphone. Guide, affiliate marketing. By the way, I have a guide on affiliate marketing. I will leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you want to make your first sale in affiliate marketing and you don't know where to start, you probably got a course and you don't know where to start, or you are a beginner, you don't even have a course, you've not gotten a course, you don't know what affiliate marketing is. I have a video on the channel that teaches you all of that, and then you can get the guide on how to make your first sale. All right, and then we have other topics as well. So ChatGPT for beginners, how to make money with AI, all of that as well. So we are going to choose number 5. I like number 5, so I'm going to use number 5 as my ebook. Now we have our topic. The next thing we want to do is tell ChatGPT, write me an outline for a 5-chapter ebook on ChatGPT for beginners, how to make money with AI. Now this is going to generate the outline for your ebook for you, but you need to proofread this and edit it and make it feel like you. For instance, I usually tell my students, don't like seeing unlock, recover, discover, all of this. Oh, are you struggling with you don't cast? I don't like seeing it. So I cannot just copy all of this, right? All of what ChatGPT has given me now to my Google Doc, and then off I go. No, I'm going to copy this to my Google Doc and make sure that I rephrase all of this. I make sure that I make it me. I make it Mfon Akman. I have to remove the things I need to remove, add the things I need to add. All of those things I am going to do. Okay, this is actually a good idea. Wow. This is really a good idea. It's looking like I'm going to actually write something on this. Okay. Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes. So if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video. And by the way, if you need my prompts, these are just some of the prompts I use, okay? If you need my prompts, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Just click on it and get the prompts. Everybody uses ChatGPT, everybody uses AI, but the prompt is what differentiates you from every other person, because ChatGPT is like garbage in, garbage out. Anything you give me is what I'll give you. So I have sat down, I have written down all the prompts I use to make my content sound human. I have that written down for you. All you need to do is to click the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go get that prompt, neighbor. Now let's move on to the next step. Let's take a look at our outline that ChatGPT has generated. So here we have chapter 1 introduction, we have chapter 2, we have our chapter 3, and we have our chapter 5. Remember, the prompt was just for chapter 5 chapters, okay? It doesn't end here. What you want to do, as I said earlier, just copy this to your Google Doc, remove the things you need to remove, add the things you need to add, and then you bring back your optimized outline and tell ChatGPT, this is what we're working with. Now let's start with chapter 1. Give the right prompt and ChatGPT will write the content for you. All you need to do is to copy it to your Google Doc and then just keep doing that till you have all your content ready. Now, to avoid you sounding like a robot in your ebook, click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to get that prompt. Inside that guide, you don't only have prompts that you can use to create your ebook, you also have prompts that you can use to sell your products, okay? So you want to get it. So just like that, you have your digital products that you can edit, brand, and sell.
That's it, neighbor. Step-by-step process on how you can start your online business using just ChatGPT.
Remember that the link to sign up for the VA simulation program is in the description and in the pinned comment.
Okay, so if you're looking for even more ways to make money online, you know I got you. Watch this video next.